Episode 56. Chesah Pado pulls the fire alarm at the mall/grounded.
Hi, my name is Chesah Pado, and today, I'm in the mall, and you know why? It's because I'm going to pull the fire alarm at the mall, and I'm going to escape. Ha 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 ha. Alright, let's do this then.
When Chesah Pado went to the mall,
I need to get out of here before I get caught.
when Chesah Pado went home, called the fireman, and get grounded. Here's the footage.
Oh my god, Chesah Pado, how dare you pull the fire alarm at the mall? That's it. You're grounded for 202029382010474849484738 years. Go to your room right now.
Wow.
So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 57, and it will be on later in 925.